10 habits to improve your life one day at a time. How do you win a race? One foot in front of the other. How do you win at life? One day after another. You can harness the power of habits one day at a time to improve many different aspects of your life. This presentation will walk you through 10 different habits that you can add into your daily routine that will help you improve your life. Habit number 1. Brush your teeth immediately after you wake up. This may seem like a silly habit. However, brushing your teeth immediately after you wake up is a great habit to get into. It prevents you from forgetting to brush your teeth and is an easy time to remember when setting up the habit. Habit 2. Turn out the light when leaving the room. This habit can make you more environmentally friendly. Whenever you leave a room, turning out the light can save energy and be more sustainable for the environment. It can also save you money on utilities. Habit 3. Do a core workout before you go to sleep. Just like brushing your teeth when you wake up, the timing of doing a core workout before you go to sleep makes it easy to remember when setting up the habit. Doing a light workout before going to bed can make it easier to relax and go to sleep. Habit 4. Limit checking your phone while working. Limiting the amount that you check your phone while working can be a good habit to increase productivity. Many phones now can be put on Do Not Disturb or Work Mode to help reinforce the need to check your phone less. Habit 5. Drink a glass of water every hour. Hydration is important to many different aspects of your life. Drinking a glass of water every hour that you're awake will ensure that you get the right amount of hydration. Habit 6. Eating breakfast. Eating breakfast is a good habit to get into. It ensures that you have energy for the day, and it can help you better sustain energy throughout the day. A healthy breakfast with the right amount of protein is best. Habit 7. Practice meditation before beginning to work. Practicing meditation is an excellent habit to get into, and doing it before work can help increase productivity. Allowing your brain to unfocus for a bit can help it get into the focused mindset necessary for peak productivity. Habit 8. Make time for friends and family every day. It can be easy to get caught up in work or school and forget to make time for friends and family. Not only is it a great break from work and other parts of your daily routine, but it can also mean a lot to your friends and family that you're spending time with them. Habit 9. Self-affirmations in the mirror before you leave in the morning. Self-affirmations are not just for children. Everyone can benefit from self-affirmations. This is a quick aspect of self-care that you can integrate into your daily routine and can help interrupt negative thought patterns. And finally, habit 10. Track your habits. Tracking your habits can be the key to success. The more goals you set for habit forming, the more important it is to track those habits. Keep a journal and mark off if or when you've done each habit.